Good afternoon to our beloved lecturer and friend. Today, we would like to present about Gas Manual Arc Wekding that been given to us. Our member consists of 3 people, which is Muhammad Sufi Syairan, Ani Akmal Anaki, and Adi Afifi. Next, I would like to tell you the Gas Manual Arc Welding or GMAW are also known as metal inert gas, MIG, or metal active gas, MAG. MAG is a welding process that uses an electric to form an arc between a consumable MIG wire electrode and the workpiece. It been developed in the 1940s for welding aluminium and other non-ferrous material. But nowadays, it can also weld for the other ferrous material. The process for welding aluminium using argon as the shielding gas and for carbon steel using carbon dioxide. MIG is an attractive alternative to MMA, offering high deposition rates of high productivity. Okay, next.
Next, I'm going to talk and present about the equipment, which has 4 equipment to do a welding. Firstly, the power source. Usually, MIG is operated with a DC power source. Wire burn-off rate is automatically adjusted for any slight variation in the gun to work speed, distance, wire feed speed, or current pickup in the contact tip. Metal transfer. How is it metal transfer through? So, short circuit, G-mounts, a solid metal core wire electron is deposited during repeated electrical short circuit. Globular transfer. A continuously fed solid or metal core wire electrode is deposited in a combination of short circuit and gravity assisted by large drop. Axial spray transfer. High energy mode where a continually fed solid or metal core wire electrode in deposited at a higher energy level, resulting in a stream or small molten droplet. The droplet are proper, how to say this, horizontally cross the arc. Plus spray transfer, GMAW, related to axial spray transfer where the welding current is circled between a high peak current level to a low background current level. The wire feed. Wire is the key to the reproducibility and the stability of the welding arc. The conduit can measure up to 5 meter in length, and to the facilitated feeding should be kept as short and strict as possible. So next, the gun. 2 important functions for the gun. First, transfer the welding current to the wire, and second, provide the gas to the shielding. Welding current is transferred to the wire through the contact tip. Tip board diameter for a 1.2 milliliter diameter wire in between 1.4 and 1.5 milliliter. Too large a board diameter can affect current during pickup. Copper alloy. Contact tape harder than pure copper and have a longer life. So next.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Syairan and I will present about shielding gas. There are 3 types used in MIG. That is carbon dioxide, oxygen, and helium. Carbon dioxide is the least expensive of the common shielding gas, and it is useful for welding thick material, but it produces a less stable arc and more sputter than it is mixed with other gases. The oxygen, it is used in rations of 9% or less to improve weld pool fluidity, and it is not recommended for use with aluminium, magnesium, copper, or other exotic metals. Helium shielding gas, it is generally used with non-ferrous metals, create a hotter arc that will allows for faster travel speed and higher productivity rates. Next is the advantage and disadvantage of MIG. The advantage is it has higher welding speed, no fluxes required, less post welding cleaning, low skill factor required to operate, better weld pool visibility, and the process is easily automated. The disadvantage of MIG is higher initial setup costs. The radiation effects are more severe to us human. It has higher maintenance costs due to extra electronic, less efficient where high duty cycle requirements are necessary, and the setting of plant variable requires a high skill level. Next, we are going to watch the video of the basics of MIG. Okay, the conclusion of the presentation is GMAW is the most common industrial welding process preferred for its versatility, speed, and the relative ease of adapting the process to robotic automatic. It is used extensively by the sheet metal industry and by extension the automobile industry. A unified model has been developed to simulate the transport phenomenon occurring GMAW process. Last, I conclude that welding is process of joining two metal, but during joining process, many defects occur due to using wrong technique. I suggest that by given proper training to welder so that the welder can use a proper method. That's all from us. Thank you very much.